How to enable playlist on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you would require at least 10,000 followers on your Twitter account, and after that you can get the playlist option on your TikTok. But if in case you don't have the 10,000 followers and you still want to access the playlist, just simply open up your browser and search for TikTok legal. After that, open up the very first link, which is report a problem, and open it up. This is how it will appear. Over here in the topic section, select the option of report a bug or a feature request, and after that in the category section, simply select feature suggestion. After that, just simply type your email address and provide the details of your TikTok profile, and here just simply say that you want the TikTok playlist feature on your profile, and also upload the image of your profile over here. Then tick mark these boxes and click on submit. This way you would get the solution from TikTok quite easily, and the more number of people will request this particular feature which are under 10,000 followers, TikTok will listen to it and then reduce the limit of the followers. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.